This video explores the most common Samsung update problems, detailing their causes and providing actionable solutions. Part 1. Problems with Samsung Update. Is the Samsung update causing problems? Of course. Here are 5 Samsung recent update problems. 1.1 Update failures. Update failures are typically caused by incomplete downloads, network issues, or insufficient storage. Symptoms include error messages like update failed or unable to install updates, and updates getting stuck at a certain percentage. Without a successful update, your device may miss critical fixes and features. 1 point to battery drain. Battery life issues are common after a Samsung Galaxy upgrade, often caused by new firmware activating background processes or containing bugs. Symptoms include a rapid battery drain and device overheating during normal use. 1.3 Performance issues. After an update, some Samsung devices may experience slower performance, delayed touch responses, or app crashes due to software conflicts or unoptimized firmware. Symptoms include apps freezing, slow loading, and overall sluggish performance. 1.4 Functional errors. Post-update, essential features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or fingerprint sensors may malfunction due to compatibility issues or misconfigured settings. Symptoms include inability to connect to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and fingerprint reader errors. 1.5 Boot loops. Boot loops happen when the device continuously restarts without fully booting, often due to corrupted update files or system errors. Symptoms include repeated rebooting and the device getting stuck on the Samsung logo screen. Part 2. How to fix Samsung Galaxy update problems. Below are detailed solutions for each common issue. 2.1. Restart your Samsung. Step 1. Press and hold the power button. Step 2. Select Restart from the menu. Allow the device to reboot and check if the problem is resolved. 2.2. Enter safe mode. Step 1. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Step 2. Tap and hold power off until the safe mode option is displayed. Step 3. Select OK when you see the message asking you whether want to enter the safe mode and wait for your phone to restart. Step 4. Test the device. If the issue is resolved, uninstall problematic apps. 2.3 Clear the update cache via recovery mode. Step 1. Turn off your device. Step 2. Press and hold volume up plus power plus home Bixby simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Step 3. Use the volume keys to navigate to wipe cache partition and select it with the power button. Step 4. Reboot your device. 2.4 Reset network settings. Step 1. Open Settings General Management Reset. Step 2. Tap Reset Network Settings. Confirm and reconnect to your network or devices. 2.5 Do a system repair. If previous methods fail, try using professional Android repair software like Android Repair to fix recent update issues. It can resolve system problems, including those caused by new Samsung updates. Step 1. Download, install, and launch Android Repair on your computer. Connect your Samsung phone to your desktop device using a USB cable. Launch the application and go to Repair Android Repair. Step 2. The next step is to fill in your phone's information, such as brand, device name, model, country or region, and mobile carrier. Check the box next to the message I agree to the warning and I'm ready to continue, and then click Next. Step 3. Follow the prompts to enable download mode on your Samsung phone. Wait for the firmware to download, and once it's done, it will automatically initiate system repair to fix the latest Samsung update issues. 2.6. Perform a factory reset. A factory reset can fix Samsung update issues by restoring your phone to its original state, but it will erase all data. Be sure to back up your phone beforehand, and choose to reset via buttons or settings as needed. Option 1. Through Settings. Step 1. Open Settings General Management Reset. Step 2. Tap Factory Data Reset. Confirm and wait for the device to reboot. Option 2. Using buttons. Step 1. Turn off your phone. Step 2. Press and hold the Bixby Home button and the Volume Up button simultaneously. Step 3. While still holding Bixby and Volume Up, press and hold the power button. Step 4. Release all buttons when the recovery menu appears. Step 5. Use the volume down button to navigate to the wipe data or factory reset option. Step 6. Press the power button to select wipe data or factory reset. Step 7. Use the volume down button to select yes and then press the power button again to confirm your action.